Hello folks, Angel again here from Audi VW in Fall River, and I just want to hit you again with another how-to video. This one is going to be on the keyless entry. Now follow me. Well, let's get right into it. As you can see, this one is a 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan R line, okay? So this one actually has keyless entry on the driver's side and on the passenger side door. So let me show you how to do that. As you can see right over here, you do have a black little button right on the handle. In order for the keyless entry, all you need is you need to have the key on yourself, okay? As long as you have your key with you, you just hit that button and it will unlock the door, okay? And now, if you want to lock the door, all you gotta do is hit that button again. You have successfully locked the door. Now, if you do it from the driver's side alone, hit the button, it will unlock only the driver's side door. Alrighty? Now, here's the secret. You hit the button, locks. Now follow me, right over here, to the passenger side. Here's the big secret that I like to tell everyone. If you do it on the passenger side, you hit the button right over here for the keyless entry, it will actually unlock every single door. Now you might ask me, Angel, why is it like that? Why does it do it only on the passenger side? Why does it lock every single door? That is a safety feature. So let's say you're by yourself and someone's creeping around, you can go on your side and it will only unlock your door. Now if you come on this side, it will unlock every door, and that's the way it should be. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining me on this how-to video. Again, my name is Angel Diaz over at Audi VW in Fall River. Please like and subscribe. And if you guys have any questions, this vehicle is available, 2023 Volkswagen Tiguan. It's actually a R line. My number is 401-428-4576. Thank you. Take care.